on for many thousands of years. The basics of the milling is the same. In olden days, they were grinding with the two stones, making a whole wheat flour, just brown flour. Over the years, things have evolved, and then we start separating bran, germ, and white flour. They're all three parts of the wheat kernel. Germ is the smallest part, bran is the second, and the white, which is we call endosperm, is the largest part of the wheat kernel. Yes, so let's put it this way. When you are doing whole wheat, when you are grinding the whole kernel and taking the flour out, that's a brown flour which has got germ, bran, and the sperm, and that itself is a very enriched. You don't need anything else on top of that. When we are making a white flour, when we are separating bran and germ and taking out the white part of it, which is endosperm, then the requirement, like US and Canada, they required to be enriched, and we add enrichment, which is in a powder shape, to enrich the flour. Folic acid, iron, thiamine, riboflavin to the flour, and that's a very small quantity just to compensate when we are taking out the bran and germ, to making sure the flour is enriched and good for your health. We add about 7 grams per 100 pounds. So it's a very small amount we added.